So right now, I'm right next to my goji berry. Now I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep my goji berry here. It is temporary because I'm going to be placing one of my citrus trees here. But nevertheless, I'm right here in front of my goji berry that's built inside of this wooden box. Now you'll notice there's some food growing inside of this wooden box. This is called kombucha. I'm sorry, not kombucha, but kombucha squash. Now here's the kicker. Why is kombucha growing here? Well, every year when I top off all of my fruit trees and citrus trees and my other container grown plants, I top them off my own personal compost. Right over there. That compost has seeds that come from all of the food scraps that my family discards every day, sometimes 2-3 times a week in a 5-gallon bucket. Well, when you place that compost on top of your beds here, you're going to get some seeds that, sort of were dormant. And this is why I say there's no such thing as annuals, because even annuals will sprout up in your garden out of nowhere and become a perennial. So, since this is growing here, I'm building a bamboo structure. Now I got a whole pack of bamboo and I'm tying this together and so forth. So I left this untied and I want to share with you folks how you exactly tie a bamboo so it doesn't fall down or the sticks does not have any slag in it. And then I'm going to take the vines, I'm going to place them up here and add a garden clip to make sure they're held in place. So stay right with me. So first you're going to need some twine, and then you take the ends of your twine and you pull them together. You take this loop here, and on the crossbar here you want to loop it around here, and you want to pull this in through, creating this sort of loop here. Once you've done that, you take the ends and you separate them. You pull it around the actual pole and you double it once again. Now, here's the goal. Make sure you loop under this pole because you don't want this pole going down. You loop under it, tie it around, and then I loop over it, tie it around, then under it again. I tie it around like this, and I go ahead and tie it off. If you feel like you want to go ahead and loop it again, well, loop it again. That's okay, as long as you got enough of this twine. And you want to go ahead and pull, and I looped it again, as you notice, and I pull and I tie this simple knot, okay, and then I tie a knot again to keep it closed. Now when you step back and look at this, this is solid and strong enough, and then you can go ahead and tie another one here or another one here. It's really up to you. It's really up to you. So I'll be right back and I'm going to share with you how I'm going to take the vines and trellis them up the pole. Be right back. So again, I'm going to use these clips here that I've shared with you folks before. They're called Grow. They're large plant clips. Alrighty? Now, here's what they look like right here. They have a spring loaded. And so what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to bring this up and I'm going to clamp it around here just like that. You understand, folks? I'm going to take this vine over here, and basically what you're going to be doing is training this so that it could stay put. Alrighty? And then I'll take this side here. Let's see if there's any other side that may be lingering. Right here. And I can bind it through here like so until it's ready to continue to grow. Alrighty. Let's get one more. And there we are. And as it continues to grow, the tentacles will also latch on to this and whatnot. And hey, I can have these things up off the ground. Won't be a problem. Until next time, take care of yourselves and let's get another look at it. Come in close in. Until then, whenever you have free food that sprouts up in your garden, it's not going to happen unless you're doing that compost. Without that, you'll be lucky that a bird will drop a seed. Until next time.